Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's about blending effect. So let's start the program and show you some bugs, some issues. But first let's open some of the textures, specific one, the one that is working appropriately, and then the other that you cannot use for your benefit yet because there is a lot of bugs. So let's start with the blending. It's just playing around with the alpha, and the part of the texture is blended based on this value. So let's say 500 by 500, and it is working very good because let me show you. So the image is with the dimensions, and let's try half of it, I mean quarter of it, to blend. So let's say another value for alpha, and here 600, if I could, yeah, and also 600. As you can see, it's working very good. So let's try with another images, and that could be, let's say, this one, and blending part of the image. So let me check how big is it. Okay, so
A bug has been detected. Over here!
something like this. It's not working. It is strips on strips. So let's check another image. Let's say this one. No, maybe the base should be this one. Yes, blending. It's totally marmalade. I'll show you what is marmalade in Bulgarian. Maybe you know in other languages it's actually maybe the same. So let's try with another wallpaper, and here also blending. And as you can see here, the effect is strips. So if you want to make these strips, you can use blending for other purposes, not to blend, but to create these beautiful strips. So you can play around and test for yourself. Let me check one more time the dimensions. Yeah, it just
We've done. Do you need more tasks?
Let's the code explain begin.
so let's check the code. Here, load and apply, loading the texture inside loader module, and here status for the width and height passed over here in this function. So alpha, width and height in ImGui. and here I'm inverting the alpha because I need to do that. If you have why, the reason why this is happening, let me know. And passing to the structure blending, let's check it. Passing the parameters width, height, and alpha to the structure, variables, members, and then apply function. That is over here, and the usual loops for the image, the pixel data, here the channels and the index, and based on the width and height, and index for the width. So here the so the index for the width of the whole image, and here the width of the selected part of the image or texture, and if that value is less than or equal to that width, the pixel data is changed to the selected alpha, and the same applies for the height and the index for the image of the in the texture editor. And here the usual report for the time consumption and the export to blending. So just one image work appropriately, this one here, and anything else is just total mess. If you have some reasons, some suggestions, let me know in the comments below why this is so funny to happen. I need to know. I'm just curious why this is happening.
Let's the code explain end.
That's all for this video. If you have some questions, suggestions, let me know in the comments below.
Arigato. Until next time.